Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all having a great time. Today, I'm here to show you how to change your phone's location without needing a computer and without needing root access, whether it's for whatever you want to use it for, like if you use it for work, want to place orders or pull off some trick, whether it's to fool or lie, to someone, your partner, a cousin, sibling, or your mom, making them think you're somewhere when you're actually not. And all of this is completely free. So if you want to know how to do this and more, let's get started. Alright folks, before we begin, a huge thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to the channel and to everyone who has been liking the videos. Truly a thousand thanks as well to everyone who has been leaving comments. Many blessings and thanks to the channel members, to those who have donated, and to those who have their membership active. Truly a thousand thanks. I'll also be leaving some awesome videos around here for you to check out, so go ahead and watch them. Now let's get started. Alright folks, as I was saying, we don't need root access or a computer to change the location of our phone. As I said, whether let's say you want to get out of something, you're somewhere, maybe at the store, and your boss asks where you are, tells you to send your location, and you want to do it quickly without needing a computer or anything else, all just from your phone. This works for any device, whether it's Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, or in other words, Motorola. Any Android mobile device, regardless of the version, will be able to do this. So what are we going to do, guys? We're going to go to the phone settings. We're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom and go to where it says About Phone. If you look, I have an option called Developer Options. We're going to activate that option. In this case, let's go to About Phone. We're going to go to Software Information and look for the one that says, in this case, Build a Number. We're going to tap it several times until it tells us that we're now developers. In my case, it doesn't say that because I already have the option enabled. Now we're going to go back again and then go here to Developer Options. If you have a different phone than Samsung, in this case, I'll show you over here. Here I also have a Motorola in my hands. In this case, for us to do the same thing, we also need to go to the device's settings. We're going to go to About Phone as well. We're going to look for the one that says Build Number. Here it is, or Hardware Information, and we can find it here. And likewise, we tap it several times. And if we go back, if you notice, the option doesn't appear, but it always shows up under the section called System. We click there, and here it says Developer Options, okay? And here we'll have the same options that we have on this Samsung. What are we going to do now? Now that we're inside Developer Options, we're going to activate, in this case, only USB debugging, and we're going to look for a box with the exact name. Select Debug App. Okay, this might be here at the very end as you saw, but this can vary depending on the phone. In this case here, on this Motorola, it's also found at the bottom at the end. If we select an option here, nothing at all appears. It just shows none. What do we have to do now? We're going to go to our browser. We need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network or at least have internet, either with mobile data. And we're going to open the browser and type in the name of my channel. In this case, it's 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗣𝗅. Just like that, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗣𝗅, and then we hit search, okay? We're going to click on the first one, the official one. Remember, it's the one with the channel logos. If it takes a while to load here, sorry about the page, just click the X at the top and reload it, that's it. Here it loaded in this case quickly. We have several options to download the application. We can enable this and select applications and games, or we can go here where it says applications for Android, or click on the little magnifying glass and search for the name of the application, which in this case is a GPS fake. In this case, I'm going to do it the traditional way. I'm going to go over here and click on applications and games. Once we're inside, we're going to choose, in this case, Android applications, and we're going to scroll down to look for the application. In this case, it's located around here. Here it is, that's right, GPS fake. We're going to click on download and download it. For those who don't want to do this, I'll also leave a direct link here in the description so you can go download what you see, which will be the application from my website. Okay guys? Once the application is downloaded, we're going to go to the file browser. In this case, Bakwag on Samsung, we can look for it as files. That's how it appears. Or you can use any file explorer. In this case, I'll show you that on Motorola it's different. And on other devices, it might vary as well. We need to look for the file explorer. In this case, on Motorola, it's called exactly like this, files. Here it is, and that's how it looks. Once inside the Explorer, we always need to look for a section called Downloads, or at the top in the three dots menu, something that says Download or Descargas. We tap here, and here we'll find the application. We're going to click on it, then select Settings, allow it. In this case, allow my files, and install. On other phones, this process might vary, as I mentioned, but the important thing is to get it installed. For some of you, a large pop-up window will appear, along with one of those little switches so you can tap Allow, which slides to one side. Just do the same thing. Now what are we going to do? We're going to tap Done here. Before opening the application, now we're going to go back to our settings again, just like this. We're going to go to Developer Options. We're going to look for the option I mentioned, and tap on Select Mock Location App. We click there. Select the app, it now appears, and if you notice, it's selected. Now we're going to look for the app we downloaded. In this case, here it is. We're going to tap I accept. And if you notice, a map appears for us. We can go directly to search for the location. In my case, I'm in Colombia, in the city of Cúcuta. We can go, in this case, to search wherever we want. In this case, let's search for New York here. Here we have it to do a test. New York, and we're going to pick here somewhere close to Central Park, and we're going to tap this icon. When this appears with a check mark, it means that it has already changed, and here we get the notification that this has been changed. How are we going to check it? Well, let's go to Google Maps, okay? Google Maps, and we're going to see that this has changed. Here we wait. If you notice, it automatically put me in New York. If your location still appears for you, let's say it shows if you are, I don't know, in Peru, Venezuela, anywhere around here. In this case, here I am. If you notice, look, if I scroll down, it gets a little boogie. You just click on this little icon that always appears in Google Maps, this one, and it will take you directly to the place we marked, in this case near Central Park. And that's it, guys. With that, we're all set. We can use this application for Uber. We can use it for DoorDash. We can use it for countless things. And as I said, we can send it through WhatsApp as a location, as if we were actually at that place. So guys, I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to give me your awesome like and your powerful subscription. Turn on the notification bell. Activate the option that says all notifications so you get more notifications about this content. Let me remind you that I'll be uploading videos for Samsung showing how to root it without needing an advanced recovery, so stay tuned. We're also going to boost this phone, overclock it, and turn it into a real powerhouse. I'm also streaming on Twitch. I'll leave the link for you here in the description, and my username will also appear here on the screen. It's completely free to come and watch me. And my social media links are also in the description. And as I say in all my videos, guys, I don't like to keep you waiting. So until next time, bye-bye.